Summer's ended, into autumn, leaves are dropped, not too hot, not too cold. We're on one of the back lanes by the Horseshoe Pass. I'm trying to find some trails. We're not camping or nothing, just gonna have a good ride. Is this one of those hidden passes where not many people know of it? Definitely never been here before. I guarantee someone who's watching this has. Oh, there might be a wedding going on. After wedding or something? There's only two of them there. No idea what this road's called, but it is on Kalimoto now, so I'll keep hold of this. What do these signs say? Do not drive up here. This is not accessible to vehicles. No motorbikes. Here we go. God damn it. Where are we? These boys have probably had these since I was new. Turned out to be a good little day so far. Land did know there was some sort of gig to do with all these Lambrettas and what have you. Dancing and all that jazz like they used to. Back in the day it was mods and rockers, I believe. Keeping the tradition alive, I guess. Which is pretty cool. Times do move on, but it's nice to have good memories, eh? Looks like we've got a long ride down this motorway for a bit. Bit of a trial down here. Nothing too gnarly, but it's where I find out it's a dead end at the top. It's in dynamic. Should put it in enduro, really. Oh, what's going on here?
Are you doing alright?
Yeah, you okay?
Yeah, it's going okay.
I made that just in time then, didn't I?
Yeah.
I did that just in time.
You didn't know.
Remember, if you're doing this, always close the gates behind you. But there is another guy. I don't know if he's coming this way. I'll wait for him. He might be. I'll give him a couple of minutes. If not, then I'll move on. Well, it seems our mate's not coming this way. I might have gone the wrong way. I don't know where I've ended up. Probably on private land or something. We'll take our time through here because we're sheepies. Bit of back brake trailing down here. Yet again. Another gate. Ta-da! Looking dirty. Just roll through. Come on. Come on. That's a nice spot. Oh God. I think we've got some bulls in here. That's a bit worrying. Oh God. They're just normal cows hiding in the trees until a big bull comes flying around the corner somewhere. Let's just get through the field quick. You watch me get chased out now. There is a bull there. He looks quite young and not even bothered. It's where some angry farmer comes out and says, "What are you doing on my land?" Sorry mate, I didn't know. It seems that we are heading in the right direction because it's getting mountainous over there. We need a rock. Make sure there's no bulls come flying up the hill to try and escape. Get over there. Onward, sire. Road closed? Really? Why? I don't know. I think I'm going to try it. We're going up there, see what's happening. It's where we find out to get to the top and it's just a sheer drop, a big cliff face or something. Ooh, it's a bit rough here. Oh, there we go. It's probably why it's closed. Whee! It's just how we can get out to the top. This is my new gym. There is another gate here. This is where someone comes out with a gun and says, "This is not, you're not supposed to be here, mate. What are you doing?" We said we wanted trails. Now we've got rocks. It'll be all right, he says. There's other bikes been down here anyway. Let's just hope that I have got the ability, at least, to get up this without coming off. Because a rock to the kneecap is never fun. And I think I better put it in enduro mode as well. This house must be abandoned or something. Probably not. I wouldn't say no to it. I would not. This is really rocky, look. This should be fun, he says. There we go. Ooh, ho, 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 ho. This is proper rocky. Come on, keep the momentum going. It's where the panniers come flying off. We need to pick a line here, don't we? I'm going to stay up here. You don't want to go down that bit of a rut. I'm going to say that line over there is going to be better now. Come on then. There we go. First drop. We hit a weird rock looking. Sent me sideways. I might be knackered by the time I get up here. These big rocks are just proper get under you. Send you all over the shop. Oh, proper took it out of me, that has. That'll keep you fit. Heavy old bike, once it goes, it's gone. I just had a feeling about that, to be honest. I thought, yeah, you're going to drop this way. Good fun though, eh? Good fun. I think it's almost time to get some food. I'm going to find somewhere around here. That was really steep as well. I'll keep that one plumbed in, because when I get a lighter bike, that'll be a lot easier, I think. I'm lacking the energy. Would you look at that? See that rainbow? It's right in front of that hill as well. That means that little rain patch you see there is in between the valley. And I hope it misses us. That's been a good day, hasn't it? It's been a very good day. It's been an absolute pleasure. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Until next time, it's been Baileytron. I'll speak to you all soon. Ta-ra.